This Chinese student is making a giant jump rope during break. These dogs are so cute and sure they are good kids. Can you find any tricks in this magic? This is how double, triple, quadruple chin be like. She's training the cat to strike like human.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes!
Do you know the name of this old black little bird? Do you want to have an undersea experience like this lady? The penguin can understand the signal and do the task the lady wants him to do.
Yay! Good job!
There is a market on the railway. People have to move all their stuff every time the train comes.